In front of me is Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard. Begin by clicking on this icon of a color palette at the top of it. Then tap on the best theme for you from the long list of available ones. Tap on this switcher next to keyboarders to manage them and hit apply. To customize it though, go into the same settings and click on this plus under my themes. Now tap on a photo you wish to apply as your new keyboard's background. Pinch it to scale, drag it to move, and when you're ready, hit next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right, hit done, manage keyboarders, and choose apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!